सो ही गाइस, पिछली वीडियो में हमने क्रिप्टो करेंसी एक्सचेंज सर्विस WazirX पे अकाउंट खोला था. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट वी कैन नाउ ट्रेड आवर फिएट करेंसी फॉर इन एक्सचेंज टू क्रिप्टो करेंसीज. That is, we can buy Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, maybe even Dogecoin, and aim for the moon. And then the process is quite easy. It's like buying stocks. We will have to give our INR rupee and we will get cryptocurrency in exchange. The process is pretty simple. But to add money into our fund section of the WazirX exchange account, what we will have to do is we will have to complete our KYC. KYC is pretty straightforward. We will have to add our PAN number, maybe even Aadhaar or driving license or any identity proof. And after doing that, it might take 2 to 3 minutes or even 2 days according to WazirX to confirm our KYC form. After doing that, we will also have to add the method of transfer of money to the exchange service. I am using UPI because UPI doesn't involve any transaction charges. If I follow IMPS, it takes about 0.236% of the charges in terms of transaction charges. So that's why I'm following UPI. Now UPI का confirm होने के लिए it took me 2 to 3 hours, but according to WazirX again, it might even take 2 to 3 days or even 2 to 3 minutes. So depending upon the traffic, ये सब consider करके then you can add your money to the exchange account. ऑल्सो एक जनरल एडवाइस है कि आप पूरा पोर्टफोलियो क्रिप्टो करेंसी का ना बनाएं. कि डोंट होप दैट योर मनी विल जस्ट गो 100x 200x विद 2-3 months and you will be billionaires. नहीं, ऐसा ना करो, because in India the condition is, the current scenario is, it's not regulated. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated. They are not illegal, but they are also not regulated. So ये consider करके रखो. It's generally advised that we should add anywhere between 1 to 5% of your overall investment into cryptocurrency if you plan to invest in cryptocurrency. That is, मैं भी सेम ही करने वाला हूँ, ज़्यादा मनी इन्वेस्ट नहीं करने वाला हूँ. So let's start adding money.
So to invest in cryptocurrency, first you will have to add money to your exchange account. So process बहुत easy रहता है उसका. So you just go to the fund section, and then the fund section, since अपना deposit INR में रहेगा, I am an Indian, so I will just click on deposit. There are two options. We will do UPI and yes. So here you will have to add your UPI ID. UPI ID verification के लिए it might take 2 to 3 minutes or even 2 to 3 days depending upon the traffic. मेरे 2-3 दिन में हो गया, 2-3 घंटे में हो गया था. So it's pretty straightforward. अपना UPI ID डाल देगा and just verify पे डाल देगा, and after it gets verified you will get an email from the WazirX support team, and after that you can add your money to your exchange account. So now I will add my money. So मैंने अभी funds add कर दिया है मेरे fund section में in WazirX exchange account. So as you can see I have added just 1800 rupees for now. और वो अभी मैं आई एम प्लानिंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन 4 cryptocurrencies, like आई एम प्लानिंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन बिटकॉइन, इथेरियम, कार्डानो एज वेल एज डोजकॉइन. इन सब का बहुत अच्छा रीजंस है. मैंने खुद में बहुत एनालिसिस किया था इनमें पैसे डालने से पहले, एंड आई सजेस्ट दैट यू आल्सो डू योर एनालिसिस on each and every coin which you are investing in it. Just don't invest because the market is seeing so, or just don't invest because your friend sees so, or just don't invest if you don't understand the currency, the cryptocurrency behind it. I understand these 4 currencies. I have done my analysis part, and that's why I have decided that I will invest in these. Also, your portfolio should only consist of 1 to 5%. Like cryptocurrency portfolio should only consist of 1 to 5% of your overall investment, because again it's not regulated in India currently. The market is too volatile, so be careful in that aspect also. So अभी 1800 रुपीज़ मैंने डाल दिया है अपन एक्सचेंज से बिटकॉइन या अगेन क्रिप्टोकरेंसी, इन्हीं क्रिप्टोकरेंसी बाय और सेल करने वाले हैं. सो क्लिक ऑन द एक्सचेंज. इसमें अपने को डिफरेंट रेट्स पता चल रहे हैं, INR, USDT, WRX, बिटकॉइन. इस वैल्यूज में अपने को रेट्स मिलते हैं. आई पर्सनली यूज कॉइन मार्केट कैप टू एनालाइज द वेरियस क्रिप्टोकरेंसी. ये बहुत ईजी पड़ता है मेरे को फॉर एनालिसिस पर्पसेस. इट्स लाइक टिकर टेप जैसे स्टॉक्स का लगता है, वैसे ही मैं कॉइन मार्केट कैप यूज करता हूँ टू एनालाइज माई क्रिप्टोकरेंसी. तो आई विल ऑल्सो सजेस्ट यू दैट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज ये जरा मेरे को कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगता है. बट एनीवे, So to add invest money, let's say I want to buy Bitcoin, so I will just click on Bitcoin. Here you have options to place a limit order or stop limit order. So I'm going to place limit order currently, and the price I'm going to set. So as you can see here, you can see the balance of my wallet, which is 1800 rupees. And here you can see 25% of the overall volume, 50%, 75%, 100%. I'm planning to invest about, let's say, 500 rupees in Bitcoin, and I will just click on buy Bitcoin, and order placed successfully, and that's about it. So similarly, अगर मेरे को Dogecoin में invest करना पड़ेगा, Dogecoin, let's talk about Ethereum. I will just search ETH, which stands for Ethereum again, and then click on it. If you want to see the price of Ethereum in terms of USDT, you will just click on US dollars, and then you will see the price of Ethereum USDT. USDT is nothing but a stable token. I will make another video on that, so you can know what is USDT. And मेरे पास 0 USDT है, so first I will have to add USDT right now. So let's just trade in INR now, and again click on Ethereum, and in Ethereum, as you can see, मेरे 500 रुपए तो गए, Bitcoin में investment हो गया. So in 13 I have the balance remaining of 1300 rupees. Again I will probably invest 500 rupees in Ethereum. Limit order by Ethereum, order will be placed. This is a 24/7 market, so it's a good thing. Again now मेरे को Cardano में invest करना है, so ADA डालूंगा. The 817 balance है अभी. Again I will just invest 500 rupees in that, buy Cardano. And now the infamous Dogecoin. I want to go to moon, so इसलिए मैं Dogecoin में भी invest कर रहा हूँ. Again, it's not because it's a meme coin. I had done a analysis on it. I will probably make a video on why I have selected these coins. So if you again are waiting for it, just write in the comment section, and I will invest the remaining 300 rupees. I will keep 20 rupees balance and just buy off the Dogecoin, and the orders are placed. That's so simple, right? You just add your money, whichever you want to invest, and the cryptocurrency will get deposited in your wallet. So that's about it, man. That's how we can invest in cryptocurrencies. So if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, let the YouTube algorithm know in India ऐसा भी एक channel है, and let it promote it, because I'm planning to push a lot of more content on this channel. There are probably going to be podcasts, there are going to be interviews with some NFT artists, or सब Indians आएगा. So yeah, support me guys. Thank you.